You might have used any one of these like fitness band, health tracker, Amazon Echo, smart cities and home, Google Glass, connected car, for example Tesla car, weather condition, IoT appliances, Apple watches, Nike shoes, natural fuse, water, electricity, gas, flow meter, smartphone, microwave oven, baby monitor, bulbs, automated medical device, emergency triggered IoT, and the list goes on. IoT is an interconnection of device or object which has inbuilt instruction to do certain things. The IoT composed of sensor, electronic material or devices, software, interconnected network, transmission as well as storage of data, result to track, control, check, aid and auto execute instruction on real-time basis on real-time scenario. The internet connected IoT, it can use Wi-Fi, NFC, that is near field communication, Bluetooth, RFID or any other wireless transmission and connection technology, including the mobile connection technology like 5G, 4G, 3G, GPRS, LTE, etc. or any cloud-based technology to connect to internet. Now what are the security risks in IoT devices? The data transmission happens mostly via unencrypted communication channel like Wi-Fi. The password is poor. Two-factor authentication is missing, meaning a password plus a code is required to authenticate, that is missing. Misconfiguration of security protocols. Version of firmware is openly available, so it becomes easy for attackers to attack the device. No regular updates are available, no regular patches applied. Leaks sensitive data and information. It easily alters and executes code. This can lead to cross-site scripting, denial of service attack, remote code execution, shell attacks, multi-vector attacks and advanced persistence threat. IoT botnet makes services unavailable to legitimate user. Now we should look into some of the tips. Use strong password, keep your device updated, use app user control privileges and trigger system to raise alarm about suspicious activity, use strong cryptography and have a code review done on regular basis, have an app due diligence in place for third-party device and integration, use blockchain technology to develop robust security solution, collaborate with internet service provider to block unusually high volume traffic to prevent denial of service attack, use advanced firewall and hybrid DNS system architect. These are some of the suggestions and protection tips for IoT security risk countermeasure.